Welcome everyone to my new episode for Near Protocol price prediction and technical analysis for late July 2024, talking about the last 2 weeks left of the month, enjoying the way the altcoin season might shape towards a beautiful representation. For the moment, we're building our fear and greed index again to the greedy side of the market. We did have a massive altcoin movement across the board, and this is pretty much reflected in the prices, as you can see. Even though it might not be near to those highs or might not be near to your expectations, there is still a lot that we actually performed in the last couple of days. So here we are, Near Protocol delivering big time. From $4, we're already up to 6.5. And you have to feel that when you talk about 60% growth in 12 days as we're looking forward, this is something great, guys. If you look into your portfolio, you must see some different numbers out there after 60%, especially if you're doing this on leverage, futures trading, derivatives, margin trading. 60% on 2x leverage is 120% on your margin. So I think as a scalp, this is a very good opportunity. Until this moment, 6.5. 6.5 is a massive order block, which is something that I'm usually looking for, hunting, taking the liquidity out, and if the price action comes out quite bearish, then of course you got to slow down on your desires, which means that reversals could be expected. What kind of reversals? Well, you definitely want to see the markets at least revisiting the golden pocket or the 200 days moving average line. I mean, at least might sound a little aggressive when you talk about the percentage side. Indeed, that's 11%. But remember, folks, we just did 60%. So if you see an 11% dump back to 550, you should not be surprised about it. And you should take that very seriously as a great opportunity. If the market is bouncing there, you're just going to have the ability to push the price action into the major golden pocket. Major golden pocket sits around $7, right? So if we retrace back to this one and push into the $7 mark, we are going to have the ability to close out in July above the $6 mark, and this is going to be massively bullish for the upcoming 2 months. This is the only thing I'm going to tell you, folks. You got to wait it out, be pretty much expecting things to construct as a compounding way. Don't expect from these altcoins straight away to be in the altcoin season. From the time you were extreme bearish and we were trading on extreme fear index, people were just talking about how things are going to collapse and not do anything. You know, the last couple of days with the Ethereum ETF advancing very well, with certain political situations that have established in a specific way, looks like the altcoin market reacted very well. Very, very well, I would say. So I'm just going to be pretty much satisfied of what I've received so far as a scalping. What about the next expectation? Well, I wouldn't mind, and I would more likely expect basically a reversal. The reversal should be micro. If it extends into a macro one, that's something that I would not expect anymore. So the micro reversal is on the table. It is a necessity to take some liquidity from the lows, and this thing might take even a week or 2 weeks or so, right? So you can pretty much move about here in the top and just play around with some of the highly leveraged people out there, generate a reversed doji or any kind of a candlestick that usually pretends to be a top type of price action pattern, and then have the capability to form a bounce at the time you touch the 550s, at the time you are pretty much between 550s and $5. That's a crucial level you cannot lose. It also comes from this specific range, so this is what Near Protocol has to do in the upcoming period, folks. Make sure it retraces, and then the buying pressure we're going to face should be very, very aggressive. With that buying pressure, for those of you that have not participated, it will get a great opportunity, especially with leverage, which is where the big money is actually made. So that's all, guys. I'm not going to talk to you more about it. I'm going to be straight on to the point with the current situation of the market. I'm not going to keep you with any other things. For those of you that care about education one-on-one with me live, I do have my one-on-one coaching program. You can check that out. This is only for serious people that would like to take their journeys to the next level, which means day trades, swing trades, position trades, longs, shorts, spot, whatever. It doesn't matter you're part-time or full-time. You need to trade correctly based how does the markets communicate with you in a structured way. At the same time, if you don't want to trade by yourself, then there is the ability to join my trades, totally done for you, completely outsourced with API trading permission. We execute the trades for you. Whatever we do for myself is pretty much right there for you. So it's just in commission from the pure profits made, no upfront fees. You can check that out as well. Enjoy, folks. Have a good time. Our BTC and Ethereum positions are here. We're having roughly about $300,000 profit on them. Riding this one, this is definitely just a single position out here that we're having a single account. We do trade on Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin. We do trade on BingX, on Maxi Global. We trade on Kraken. We trade on many platforms out there as the necessity to diversify your portfolio and trying to be as safe as possible. You know how it is with all these exchanges. One day they can actually vanish away. So enjoy, have a good time, and all the links can be found in the description area or comments area. Talk to you soon.